Welcome back, everybody, and I'm at Lake Carlos State Park, just north of Alexandria, Minnesota today. Named after Carlos Santana, who sold the land to the state of Minnesota in 1914 to finance his third album, Keep It Warm in Minnesota. Little known fact. Anyways, I'm here for one night. Mid to late March, 35 degrees. Tenting it tonight. Ooh, that sign says winery. No, stay focused. I'm going this way to the park. Let's go camping. So I know absolutely nothing about this state park. Never been here. I honestly don't know anything about what Lake Carlos State Park is about. So it'll be fun to kind of explore and look around. The rangers, I checked in, pointed out one hiking trail I should do, and I'll probably check that out. First, I'll get set up here in this campground. I think they've got 2 or 3 camp areas, and they've got camper cabins, which I'm not doing today because I'm trying to get my camping cred back and sleep in a tent. Also saving money. Looks like I got a lake view spot though coming up here. Well, here I am, 116. It's my site and overlooking the lake. It is going to be kind of breezy today, evidently. That's okay. This would be Lake Carlos. Ooh, a fish just jumped over there. And that is a very brave person. I guess we'll use the word brave to be out on the ice right now. Yeah. Well, there's no mud this time, so that's it's soft dirt, but no mud and plenty of room. It's not where I would camp in summer. You would be right next to everybody. But this time of year, I've got one guy over there. One guy over there. Looks like there's another big RV rig pulling up. Hopefully it doesn't take 117. That would not be fun. All right, I'm gonna get set up. Great view. Hello, buddy. Wasn't a fish. Well, it is quite windy over here. Tonight, if it keeps going, I might park my car that way and maybe block the wind to the tent. Hopefully it holds up here. I'm gonna not put the top on because I think that would be more of a barrier, and I'm making that up. I have no idea. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. I got stuff inside. Hopefully it doesn't get blown down today or tonight. So at Lake Itasca, my heater went out before I could even use it. I went over to my local store looking for, see what they would have and anything, and they were putting the air conditioners out, and I asked if they had any of the plugins. They had this one, $65 on clearance for $16.49. So huge deal. I wasn't gonna get one if it was full price, but I thought $16, yeah, I'll get one, and if I need it tonight, I'll have it, or the next month into March and April. So, oh man, blowing in the wind. Think I'll go for a hike and hope my tent's there when I get back. Just about to drive away, and yeah, gonna have to try to figure something out here. It is 20 miles an hour winds. I just looked it up, coming from the south, that's the south right off the lake there. And it's in the mid 30s, I think I said that, but feels like mid 20s now with this wind. So if it wasn't for the wind, it would be gorgeous out. Well, I'm gonna try this trail here. Maple Basswood Trail. She's still a little muddy in here. The wind's not bad when you are not on the lake. It's beautiful marshy land here. Looks like it's about a little over a mile around here. I think I can do that. Here's the upper campground, I think it is. The other one anyways that's not open. These actually would be nicer right now because you would be out of the wind. Also has the camper cabins up here. 4 of them. Looks like a couple of them are occupied tonight. Suppose it's harder to maintain in the snow up here. The other one's a little easier to plow out. Be my guess. So that's where I'm camping, the lower campground. There's the upper campground. This is the loop I just did, back up in there. I drove all the way down, it's a couple miles I think, down to here. That's where I am now. It says it's a little wildlife viewing area, so I'm gonna go take a look in here. We'll take a peek. According to the map, it shows that you should be able to cross here, but maybe it's just too much water in the spring or something, with all the snow melting, maybe. So they can't get across over there. That's all right. So I was mistaken. Actually, the trail runs across here, across the road, and then runs down there. We've got a canoe access over here. On this side, that would be beautiful. Just canoe down there. Drop it in right there. Yeah, it's still standing. Barely. I'm gonna try to tighten this rope up, I think, a little bit here. The wind's died down a touch, but it's still pretty heavy here. I'm gonna try to figure out my supper. I don't know if I want to grill as much as I did before I got here with this wind, but I still might do it. I think that's a muskrat, because I don't think it's a beaver. Kind of like a wiry tail to it. Hi, buddy. How you doing? You're all right. Well, here's where I'm at. It's about 5:30, almost 6. I got another hour and a half of daylight. I don't think I'm gonna grill out. It is just blustery with this wind. I also have no idea if this thing is gonna stay up tonight or not. Right now it is, but if this wind doesn't go down, we'll see. And it is supposed to rain tonight too. Rain or snow overnight, so not sure what I got myself into here. I am gonna throw the towel in though for grilling, and I'm gonna go find some food somewhere and probably just bring it back. That's a big turkey. Well, I dipped into town and got a BLT real quick and came back. I got about 30 minutes of light, so what I need to do is get the top onto there. Seems to be holding up. Wind's down a little. It's still pretty breezy out. I can really feel it in my face from just walking around the last few hours around here. And then I think I can just head in. I need to rearrange in the tent and head in for the night, I think. We'll see. Late arrivals 118, two over from me. They are going to have a tent as well, so I won't be all by myself here. The one trailer down there did leave, and the one down there left. So yeah, I'll have neighbors. I am got everything kind of switched up into the tent in a better way, and I'm probably going to have a little fire with one of my bundles of wood here. Inside, if you can see this, and maybe I'll show it again later, but I just moved the table. Normally I have it in the corner, but with the wind has been coming here, I don't want it to knock over, even though it's a safety thing and it'll turn off, just to have the heater there. So kind of turn things around in here. I still got to get it kind of set up. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have a fire and then call it a night. Now we're camping. See if any of my friends are over here still on the lake. Still one guy over there. Look at him. Still hanging out over there. So the fan is going, just taking the edge off. The wind is coming in up there, not super strong, but enough. So it'll be comfy enough. Yeah, I'm all set up for the night. If the wind isn't too strong, we should make it through the night. Some precipitation perhaps. You'll see me in the morning. Well, good morning. The wind died down. It's already starting to pick up a little bit. I can see by the tent here, but it did rain and sleet overnight. About 30 degrees out. However, I'm at an angle here because this air mattress deflated about halfway here over the night, so I'm gonna have to look into that when I get home. So I got the little heater back on. Did not have it on all night, but had it on and off. I'm gonna get picked up here and head out before the wind and the rain or snow, whatever's coming, moves in. Oh, my neighbors who rolled in about 8 last night, they were gone really early. They're turning their truck on a few times over the night too, so I'm sure it was colder than what they might have thought too. They had a little tent I think they put up. It's hard to see in the dark, but they were out really early. You can maybe see there are some snowflakes starting to fall. Just gonna be my cue to get out of here shortly. And that wind's picking up. It's supposed to be 40-mile-an-hour winds. Almost my muskrat friends. Are they muskrats? Let me know what I'm looking at down here. Well, Marty Muskrat and myself are gonna say goodbye from Carlos State Park. Is this the beach? Is this like a beach area in the summer? Somebody probably knows to tell me. Interesting. A lot of shoreline, but doesn't look like a beach. But maybe it is. when there's not 20-mile an hour winds, it's actually quite nice here. Personally, I am ready to be done with snow, wind, and cold. I'm looking for an easy one, hopefully the next one. Head for cover. Sounds like a good idea. Oh yeah, and thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. How rude of me for not saying that. Hey, maybe subscribe, I don't know. The wind is blowing me back. Thanks again. And you'll see me somewhere. Not down this road, but another road somewhere. Okay. Enough.